Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Audrey with Gator Metal Roofing. We're here in the Raleigh area and we're visiting a recent customer of Gator Metal Roofing, the Enman family. How are you doing today?
We are doing great.
That is good to hear. So you guys just had a beautiful black metal roof installed on your beautiful home. What made you choose Gator Metal Roofing?
We like the appearance of it and just always wanted to hear that rain hit it and everything.
And they said that it wouldn't fade.
And what made you pick up the phone and call us?
It just was needed. It was time for it. And we're happy that we did it.
Awesome, sounds great. So why did you guys choose a black metal roof?
It just kind of went with the decor of the house.
The trim and everything, correct, yeah.
Nice, and I can tell you put a lot of thought and detail into it because it all just comes together so beautifully. How was the installation process?
It was very easy. They showed up on time daily and stayed on it, worked late and hard workers, and they did a very good job. From the time we called, well, we were on a waiting time, but from the time they said they were going to start, it took about a week, which was great. Great.
Awesome. So would you guys recommend Gator Metal Roofing?
Absolutely. Like I said, they did a great job. It looks fantastic and
We're very happy.
Very happy with it and pleased.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, thank you.
Make your home stand out with Gator Metal Roofing. Don't miss out on a free estimate. Schedule your appointment today for a safer, brighter future.